Hey guys, we're gonna do this race, and guess what I've just discovered? I did just start recording, and I've discovered that you're to get the platinum bolt, you're not only meant to win, but you're not allowed to miss any of the rings. Fuck my life. That is bull. So really, I've got to use these asteroids, the insides, as a way to catch up to him when he starts overtaking me, and then slow down and focus on these rings when the time calls for it. Alright, I'm over halfway through. Alright. A few more asteroids to go in. This is so fucking tense, and I said that last time I was here. Alright guys, that's Platinum Bolt 38, and we'll be right back guys for the next one.